me crochet any day of the week.
Hey Gifted Crafters, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you a quick little step-by-step on how to do a chain stitch, which is a basic stitch for most of the crochet projects that are out there. So let's start it off by taking our working yarn and wrap it around your hand. You're going to go ahead and do a slip knot. Now, if you need more information on how to do a slip knot, I do have a video on that, and it does show it much closer and slower for all you beginners that are out there. So once I have my slip knot onto my crochet hook, I'm going to go ahead and start the chain. And what that means is that you would need to take your crochet hook and wrap it around the yarn. So yarn over. You now have 2 loops on your crochet hook. Then go ahead and take those 2 loops and pull one of the loops through the other. That, my friends, is your first chain stitch. Now I'll do a couple more just so you can get the hang of it. Again, yarn over and pull through. You may want to adjust your thumb and move your hands around just so you can get comfortable. It takes a while for you to feel comfortable in your own project, but it's really up to you on how you decide to hold your working yarn as well as your crochet hook. You just need to get comfortable with it. So go ahead and hold on to the end of that, yarn over and pull through, and we'll do a couple more. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. Makes it a little easier to see if I do it this way. Yarn over and pull through. And then once you've done that, you have a nice chain stitch. And that's your foundation for most of the projects that you're going to be doing out there. So I hope this helps. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.
Yarn over yarn of crochet, it never gets old. Yarn over yarn of crochet, it never gets old. Yarn over yarn, make that stitch, single, double, treble, puff, take your pick, yarn and hooks. My love runs deep, let me crochet any day of the week. Of crochet, it never gets old.